Hello friends, today's topic is very crucial. It is on how to talk effectively over the phone. That is effective telephonic conversations. Now, why do I say it's important? Because nowadays, that is post-pandemic, where we don't get a chance to physically go out and meet our relatives or friends. So, our only medium of communication is either phone or digital platforms like Zoom. So, and telephonic conversation is very common. So, that is why it is very important to learn the art of talking effectively over the phone. Apart from this, also, in most of the organizations, the very first process of selecting the interview is the telephonic interview. So that is why let us today learn how to effectively communicate over the phone. Tring tring. So let's begin. Friends, unlike the one-on-one conversation where the listener can see us smiling or can see our nod, in the telephonic conversation, all these images are absent. The listener cannot see our grin or our nod. So it is very important to be expressive over the phone. It is said that if you are able to communicate effectively over the phone, the listener will be able to know that you are having a smile, you're smiling on the phone. So let us see how to do this. So friends, let us now learn about some tips and tricks on how to sound pleasant over the phone. So the tip or rule number 1 is always specify your name while answering the phone call. The reason being, the person who is calling up will know whom he or she is speaking to. Also, have a pleasant and friendly tone, because if you sound very serious, the other person might not feel comfortable talking to you. Rule number 2 would be speak clearly, pronounce the words clearly so that the other person need not ask you to repeat it again. Yes, and do not talk very fast or do not fumble. Try to sound little louder. Try to speak little loud so that you can be heard properly. But mind it, please don't shout. Rule number 3. Use your words rightly. That is, use the words aptly with the proper person. For example, you should not sound very casual when you're talking to your boss, right? Or for instance, with your grandmother, you cannot use slangs. You cannot say, "Oh, what's up? What's going on?" So this kind of conversation is a strict no-no with seniors or with your bosses. Point number 4, do acknowledge. When the other person is talking to you, occasionally acknowledge him or her by using some words like oh, because the reason being, the other person is unable to see you, right? He can only hear you. So make the gestures and nod by speaking. Point number 5 and the last one. When you are having a conversation, important conversation, do bring a pen and a paper handy with you, because if you don't jot down the important points, it's very obvious that you may forget it later. You may forget the important points. So that's the reason whenever you are having an important conversation or an official one, please do sit with a pen and a paper. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. So please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.